Conditions have varied across northern Michigan depending on exactly where you're located. We've been seeing the wet and heavy snow into eastern upper, but south of the bridge, it's been a mild day with even just some plain rain showers. However, everybody is going to be getting in on some much colder air. Check out the road temperatures. We're expecting a flash freeze as we're going later into this evening. Watch these numbers. They're dropping quite a bit from the 40s, 30s, 20s. Even some teens out there by the time we're getting closer to midnight tonight. So anticipating the chance for a little bit of black ice on the roadways. Things to keep in mind if you're doing some traveling later this evening going towards midnight tonight. Now we were expecting a little bit of dry air south of the bridge. That's exactly what we did see, but now we're going to be on the backside of this system. Northwest winds will take over, so any rain showers will start to change over to some snow showers. And then again, the winds themselves are still going to be breezy coming in right there from the northwest. So that's going to help to crank back up the lake effect snow machine. That will take us getting into the day on Saturday. Notice that placement just downwind of Lake Michigan as well as just near Lake Superior as well for the better placement of some of these snow showers as we're getting into the day tomorrow. So classic lake effect scenario between any snow showers. There even could be a ray of sunshine or two. That's what we'll have for you as we get out the door for a Saturday. Much colder temperatures, even still past midnight, getting into Sunday morning. This model run still does want to hold on to maybe a few isolated snow showers. Thinking Sunday is going to be the overall drier day of the two. Still can't rule out a few of those as we're going into Sunday morning, but I do think at least partly cloudy skies looking better for the second half of your weekend. Still chilly. Here's a look at those snowfall trends. Still the better chance for any heavier snow is going to be found as you're going farther north. Areas again near the Sioux and going north of the Mackinac Bridge, just downwind of Lake Michigan, and even still Lake Huron too. We'll have to watch you a little bit closer, about another general 1 to 4, but those higher amounts again looking better as you're going north of the straits. And we're talking about the winds too. Here's a look at that direction. Again, mainly coming in from the northwest. Still some gusts closer to the lakeshore. Check out some of those numbers. Closer to 40+ miles per hour. Not as strong as we're getting into the day tomorrow, but it is still going to be a breezy start to your weekend. There it is by Saturday afternoon. Still could be talking about some numbers peaking back near 25 to 30 miles per hour. Let's get you live weather stations out there right now. Pickford to the north, well below freezing, supporting some snow at 25 degrees. Cadillac above freezing, 39 degrees. It was a little bit windy there. We were around 13 miles per hour. McBain still right there at about 38. These numbers will continue to drop past midnight tonight. Check this out as we're going into the overnight period. Eastern upper tip of the Mitt, -2 near Kinross, -7 near the Sioux, and even some single-digit values near the tip of the Mitt, Sheboygan, Onaway, back near 3 degrees. That's all we'll have for you past midnight tonight. Western lower, still some colder numbers. Gaylord, Grayling, 5 and 3 degrees. That's it for you tonight. Some teens as you're going closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline with that chance for some more lake effect snow. Eastern lower, a passing snow shower or two throughout the evening hours. Still the temperatures right there back into the single digits near 10 degrees. And central lower will keep your numbers for the overnight period back into the teens for a lot of us. Again, closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline, that better chance for some lake effect snow as we're getting into tomorrow. And even still, feeling very, very cold. Wind chills, even as we go past the midnight hour. For many, dipping back below zero. High temperatures, there it is, as we get into the day tomorrow. Nowhere near as warm as many places we were talking about today. Teens near the 20s. That's going to be the extent of the heat throughout most of not only Saturday, but getting throughout most of the weekend as we take you into the next 7 into next week. Warming back up into the 30s by Monday. Rain chances to a mix Tuesday into Wednesday, with some numbers getting back into the 50s by midweek. David, back to you.